Hey guys, welcome to How to Media channel. In this video I'll show you how to create Twitter account. First you install Twitter app and then open Twitter app and click on create account button and you select the language and click on next. And first you enter your name, then enter your phone number, then enter your date of birth, then click on next. Then you read this and click on next, then click on sign up. Okay, then you receive a code and you enter this and click on next, and you write a strong password, then click on next, then click on next. Keep for now and you choose your username. Your username is unique, you can always change it later. I choose this username and click on next. Note now, what do you want to see on Twitter? Select at least 3 interests to personalize your Twitter experience. They will be visible on your profile. Click on next. Click on next. Follow one or more account. When you follow someone, you will see their tweets in your timeline. You also get more relevant recommendation. Click on next. Your account was successfully created. Hopefully this video helped for you. Thanks for watching.